Hello, and thank you for joining me. Today is the last day of 2025, and I don't know how you spent 2025, but I spent almost every single day researching artificial intelligence models and applications, with the goal to try to create artificial superintelligence, artificial general intelligence, these most advanced concepts in the technology of artificial intelligence and machine learning. All right, what I have here is I have two versions of the same application. They look identical, but they're not identical. So it says, welcome to Park. Let's start by setting up your personalized research community. This is where you get to choose whatever you're going to use this application for. And when you see what this does, you'll understand. So let me just start out by doing this. Funny people, comedians, jokers, clowns. We'll go with that. All right, that's one community. Over here, I'm going to set up a serious one. Artificial. Okay, so I'm going to create these two different things, and these are two different versions of this application, right? But the setup is the same. So I'm going to say, for this one, the professional one, I'm going to go with that. For this one, I'm going to go with creative. Basically, it has the same output here. It shows you have the Laugh Lab, and then you have AGI Nexus, right? And you get these agents here for you. And if you don't like this, you can go back and change the description. You can be as detailed as you would like to be, and I think that being more detailed is probably a better approach to this, but I'm just demonstrating for the purpose of this release. Now I can come back here to the project directory, and I can see that it's there, right? And in the research feed. And this application is quite unique, I think, because what you can do is, and in the workspace area, it allows you to create projects, right? Okay. So you can see it created my projects. Once you're in this workspace area here, you can start to chat with these guys. And you see these little options here. You've got the Meta Swarm Hub and the project tasks.